My name is Andrea Deleeuw. I work for Alberta Health Services in the North Zone Indigenous Health Program as the manager. We have frontline staff across the North Zone in different healthcare facilities, hospitals, and they provide cultural support, translation services, access to ceremony, medical transportation, all kinds of support to Indigenous patients coming into the healthcare system. I have been involved with Northwest Polytechnic since before it was NWP, when it was still GPRC. I started my career at the Grand Prairie Friendship Center, and at that time, I was the youth coordinator. And I would often bring youth over and make sure that they knew about our post-secondary here in Grand Prairie. And it was actually through that role that I started to think maybe I could go back to school myself. I was a student here from 2016 to 2018, and then I went on to do my master's in social work. I also consult on a lot of Indigenous health projects across the North Zone. We recognize there are gaps in services for Indigenous patients, and we work hard to ensure we're closing those gaps and make sure our services are culturally appropriate. I think this is a very special award. This institution means a lot to me, and so to be recognized in that way, Indigenous Community Impact Award, that's my work, that's my passion. I know that we need post-secondary here in the North. It's so important that our population here is educated and has the training access that they need to make sure our community thrives. Working in Indigenous health, working with Indigenous people, populations, and communities, that's my hope, is that we can start to make good change, especially in terms of health and wellness outcomes for Indigenous patients.